The Wealth of Nations by Adam Smith, published in London in 2 volumes in 1776. The first edition of the seminal work by the father of modern economics, published in the same year as the American Declaration of Independence. An inquiry into the nature and causes of the wealth of nations by a Glasgow University professor of moral philosophy did for economics what Newton did for physics and Darwin did for biology. It took the received wisdom that there was only a finite amount of wealth available, leading to protectionist trade policies, and turned it on its head, postulating instead the alternative theory of free market capitalism. Of the 119 reported copies of this edition now owned by libraries, 81 are in North America.